Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Matt Panetti. I'm a neuro-structural chiropractor here in Greenwood Village, Colorado. And today I'm talking about these. These are energy drinks. And I'm talking about why energy drinks don't actually give you more energy. They do the opposite. And especially for working moms out there, and I say that because I'm speaking about working moms because I've got a working mom in my life. My wife is busy at home with our son. When she's not busy at home with our son, she's busy in this office with practice members. And I see firsthand the toll and the effect that can have. We know a lot about the body. We have all this information in our heads. It still doesn't make it easy for us to go out and make sure that we're following it every single day. We can still get off track. We're human. And working moms, I don't think males could ever understand how hard it is to be a female in America, or on top of that, to be a working female in America. There's a lot that goes into that job, seen and unseen. And for that, I think working moms really get overburdened, worn down with all the responsibilities, with all the things you have to get done every single day. Your health is typically one of the last things on the radar. It gets pushed aside. And typically what that leads to is a lot of pain and dysfunction. It could happen in terms of digestive issues, hormonal imbalances, energy and fatigue issues. And so when we speak specifically on energy and fatigue, working moms, a lot of you guys just reach for a quick fix, which I would consider each one of these here on the table a quick fix. It doesn't give you better energy. It actually saps your energy, at least the energy that's being created in your body naturally. This is artificial stimulant, and what it does is it gives you a short-term rush, a short-term boost, but ultimately when you've got that boost, your body says, well, maybe I don't need to make enough or make as much energy as I used to, because it looks like we've already got plenty. So it stops making as much. When you don't have these drinks in your life, that energy level or those energy levels that you used to have are going to be even less. These are setting you up for disaster. Now, along the same lines, these also, each one of these that are on the table, they have extremely toxic ingredients inside. They may say they're natural, organic, like this one down here does, but they've got natural flavors, natural colors, which aren't natural at all. They're typically toxic chemicals that the manufacturer is hiding under that label. And each one of these has loads and loads of sugar, more sugar than you should be getting in one day total, and you're getting it all in just one drink, one beverage. Even the organic drink, more sugar in this organic drink than any of these other non-organic drinks. So understand that these are not doing you a bit of good. They're harming your body in multiple ways, and they're not necessarily giving you better energy, they're taking it away. If you're a working mom, the best way to get your energy back is to start approaching your health from a holistic standpoint and understanding there's a couple different factors playing roles into why you have energy issues. If you're concerned about it, make sure you continue to follow along, because we're going to talk a little bit more about what you can be doing as a working mom to increase your energy levels naturally and not have to depend on these things. Hope you guys got a lot out of this, and I'll talk to you soon.